Up, up, into the clouds we go. Here comes Zoey and the cloud of ticking dreams, where gears giggle and wild ideas take flight. Most clouds drift quietly. This one ticked. Zoey was chasing dragonflies through the treetops when she spotted it. A floating puff of cloud, puffing steam and jingling with tick-tocks. Its edges were stitched with silver thread, and little gears spun along its side, like it was daydreaming about thunder. Her curls bounced as she climbed the nearest tree and leapt, landing right on the soft humming cloud. Definitely not your average sky fluff, she grinned. A hatch creaked open. Inside was a whimsical weather machine, levers made of licorice wood, dials labeled snuggle storms, feather flurries, and rainbow giggle bursts. The engine? A glowing dream orb that sparkled when Zoey touched it. Let's turn up the imagination, she whispered, cranking the lever marked Wild Wonder Winds. Gears clicked, pipes puffed. The cloud began spinning in lazy circles, releasing breezes that whispered stories and rain, that giggled when it landed. Through a porthole, Zoey watched tiny dream blimps float by, carrying snoozy bears in pajamas and umbrellas chasing butterflies. But then, clunk! The machine sputtered. Gears slowed. A blinking light read, "Power, low on wonder." Zoey blinked. Well, I've got plenty of that. She pulled out a doodle from her journal. A flying garden with singing pickles and upside-down clouds, and fed it into the dream orb. The cloud shuddered, then sparkled, then soared. It zoomed through the sky, leaving trails of musical mist and ticklish thunder that made birds laugh mid-flight. The cloud dipped gently, letting Zoey tumble back into the forest, her curls tangled with cloud fluff and wonder. If you dance through the dream, like, share, and subscribe to the team.